In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Shopify support. Navigating customer support platforms can be daunting. Today, I'll simplify this process, specifically focusing on contacting Shopify's support team via email. It's a task that might seem straightforward, but requires specific steps for a smooth experience. First things first, make sure you're at the right starting point, which is Shopify's homepage. To do this, simply type in Shopify's URL into your web browser. You'll be greeted with their homepage, a starting point for both new visitors and seasoned users alike. The screen should showcase various Shopify offerings, but your focus should be on the top right corner, where you'll find the Login button. Clicking the Login button is your entry gate. It takes you closer to addressing any concerns or questions you might have. Upon clicking, you'll be navigated to a new page dedicated to logging into your Shopify account. This page asks for one primary piece of information to start: your email address. Entering your email address is crucial as it identifies your account and differentiates you from the millions of users on Shopify. After you've input your email, a new field will prompt you to enter your password. Your password is the key to your Shopify kingdom, safeguarding your account and its details. Once you've entered both your email and password correctly, click on the Login button to proceed. Post-login, you'll find yourself on your Shopify dashboard. This dashboard is the command center for your store. Yet, amidst the analytics and sales data, there's an essential destination you need to reach today: the Help Center. To access the Help Center, look towards the bottom left of your screen, or within your dashboard's navigational menu, you'll find the Help Center option. Selecting this will reroute you from the hustle and bustle of your Shopify dashboard to a serene place designed explicitly for support and assistance. Upon arriving at the Help Center, you'll observe various resources offered to help solve common issues or guide your Shopify journey. However, for more personalized assistance or when these resources don't hit the mark, contacting Shopify support directly becomes essential. This is where your journey to contacting support via email truly begins. Look for a section or button labeled Contact Support. This might require scrolling down or navigating through the Help Center sections, but it's a crucial step. Once you find and click Contact Support, you'll be ushered to a new page or a pop-up that details the different avenues through which you can reach Shopify's support team. It is here on the Contact Support page where you'll find the option to email Shopify's support team. This option might be presented alongside others like live chat or phone support. Each method serves different needs, but today we're focused on email, ideal for those who prefer documenting their issues or need support outside of immediate response times. In preparation for sending your email, gather all relevant information regarding your issue or question. This might include order numbers, customer details, error messages, or steps you've already taken in an attempt to resolve the issue yourself. Providing thorough and precise details in your initial email can significantly expedite the support process. Upon selecting the option to email Shopify's support team, you'll likely be prompted to log into your account if you haven't already. This step ensures security and personalizes your support experience. Once logged in, you'll be directed to a form or an email template where you can articulate your issue or inquiry. Take this opportunity to clearly state your problem, attach any applicable screenshots, and clarify what resolutions or answers you're seeking. After reviewing your email for clarity and completeness, hit the Send button. Shopify's support team values your time and business, striving to respond to inquiries as quickly as possible. In most cases, you can expect a helpful response within a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the complexity of your issue and the current volume of support requests. Remember, while waiting for a response, it's beneficial to continue exploring Shopify's extensive library of guides, tutorials, and community forums. Often, these resources offer immediate solutions or useful advice that can address your concerns before support gets back to you. In closing, emailing Shopify's support team is a structured yet straightforward process. From logging into your account and accessing the Help Center, to pinpointing the Contact Support option, and sending off your detailed inquiry, each step is designed to guide you towards resolution and success. Remember, detailed communication is paramount and patience often pays off. Thank you for watching, and here's to a smooth and successful resolution to your Shopify inquiries.